Welcome to Home of Math. Today's topic consecutive number. How we can define consecutive number. The numbers which continuously follow each other in the order from smallest to largest. Like first number is x, then next number will be x plus 1, right? Then x plus 2, then x plus 3. So if x equals to 1, the first number is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. These are consecutive number. So this video we are going to solve lots of math which will help us for job or academic examination. Now let's start. Our first question: the sum of 5 consecutive integer is 105. What is the sum of the first two numbers? So look, here is integer. It means no negative or 0. So let first number equals to x. So 5 numbers are what? X, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 and x plus 4. This is a consecutive number. So in question said the sum of 5 consecutive integer is 105. So we can write, so x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4 equals to 105. So once we sum everything, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5x plus 1, 3, 6, 10 equals to 105. Okay, then we can write, or we can say 5x equals to 105 minus 10. This plus 10 will become minus 10, or both sides we subtract 10. So 5x we can write 95. So once we divide both sides by 5, it will become what? 19. Okay, so first number is, so first number equals to x equals to what? 19. Now our question was, what is the sum of the first two numbers? So second number x plus 1 equals to 19 plus 1. It means 20. Okay, so first two number, first two numbers summation equals to 19 plus 20, it means 39. So here is number A, 39. Okay, hope you clear this one. So 39 is our right answer. So it's looking little bit big, but we can, if you know the rule, we can easily solve this one. So for our understanding, I'm trying to make it step by step. We can make another way. How? Look, shortcut. Here is 5 consecutive number. Number 5. It means it's a odd number. Here is a trick. Like, first we have to find out middle number. Which is sum and divide term. What was sum? Sum was 105 and term is 5. It means how many number? Number is 5. So once we divide 105 by 5, it will become 21. So look, 21 is our middle number. So here is first 2, here is last 2. So 21, before number will be 20 and another one is 19. So once we add this one, we will get 39. So this is a shortest trick. So hope you understand this one. This video we are trying to solve at least 3 math. Let's start number 2. Number 2. The sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 123. What is the product of 2 smallest numbers? Look, here is 3 consecutive number. It means it's a odd number. So what means? Here is first one, second one and third one. First we will find out the number of middle one. So in this case, what we will do? Middle number equals to what? Sum, then terms. Sum is 123, terms is 3, so it will become 41. So 3 consecutive number, middle number is 41. So in this case, first one is 40 and second one is 41 and third one is 42. Okay, now our question, what is the product of 2 smallest number? So we can write the product of 2 smallest number is, so first one is 40 and second one is 41. So what will be the answer? So answer is 0, 4, 16. So where is this number? D is our right answer. 1640. Number 3. Here is consecutive 10 numbers. If the sum of the first 5 consecutive number is 560, what is the sum of the last 5? So this one, first 5, it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are odd serial. So we have to find out middle one. First 5 number summation is what? 560 divided by 5. It's a first one is sum and divided by terms. Okay, so what will be the answer? Here is 1 and 5, 12 times 5 will be 60. So what? 112. It's okay. 112. So 112 is a middle number. 112. So this one is 111 and this one is 110. Right? So in case here is 113, 114. So this is a first 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will be the 6? 6 will be what? 115. 7th will be 116. 8 will be 117. 9th will be 118 and 10th will be 119. So what is the sum of the last 5? Last 5 summation is, if we calculate this one, we will get 585. So where is 585? It's a number A. So very easily we are solving these kinds of consecutive numbers problem. So we will more practice in next video, but this video we are start and try to solve 3 math. If you think this is important for you, please like me, or if you want to know anything, just write a line in the comments box. And my request, don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.